He's a war fireman, dude.
We got the fuel first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuel
Oh, you didn't shut your oxygen off.
at all. Oxygen off.
Here, shut your oxygen all the way off. Now turn your fuel on. There, now spark it.
How do you make it up? It's beautiful. Okay, so get rid of the smoke a little bit. So give it a little acetylene. Don't leave it oxygen there. Get rid of the smoke. Yeah. Nice and easy. You want to go first. Yeah, so bring it back a little. Perfect. Yeah, a little more. Just get rid of the smoke. Yeah.
Oh, you still got
Now
smoke.
slowly introduce that. Open it up slowly. Yeah, so when you look at that flame there, that's carburized. So what you want to do is you want it to be neutral. You want to bring the two flame points like that. You have those two flame points there? Yeah. Okay, so see there's a feathered edge on this other one? Yeah. I want to bring it in so it's just neutral flame. And that's actually your neutral flame. If you keep going with the oxygen, it becomes very distinct like that. Small flame, but really hot. So again, just take it out to your carbonizing again, and then bring it back until the two feather edges